casco in fibra deve avere delle...
A fiber helmet must feature exactly the same mechanical performance as a thermoplastic polyclean helmet. It must, however, be lighter. Fiber shell molding involves both artisan works and automatic processing. The artisan works still entail a very high degree of manual skills, making the process extremely delicate and difficult. In order to attain excellent quality, we have decided to keep all phases of manufacture within our plant, as this allows us to have complete control over both raw materials and manufacturing processes. There are two main components of a fiber helmet: resin and fibers. Resin is a thermal hardening product that, once reticulated, namely hardened, no longer has an invertible process. Fibers, on the other hand, are of various different natures and are inserted into the helmet in percentages that have been specifically studied to provide given mechanical performances. These are the main fibers used. The color white is glass, the color black is carbon, the yellow is Kevlar.
Il vetro, il color nero è carbonio, giallo è il Kevlar. La fase iniziale del processo prevede la
The initial
selezione
stage of the process involves the selection and cutting of the fibers into pieces. These pieces are then inserted into the mold and overlaid to create the final shell laminate. The resin is injected into the mold with the fibers. A specific catalyst then facilitates the hardening process. With the heat, the resin hardens fully within 7 minutes, thereby creating the composite laminate from the resin and fibers.
dalla resina e dalle fibre. Successivamente la calotta viene inserita
Later,
nella macchina.
the shell is inserted into the water jet cutting machine in order to cut away all excess parts required for shell production. These, therefore, include the neck, part of the window, and all holes needed to fix the visor mechanisms and air intakes. At this point, the exterior surface of the shell must be smoothed and sanded in order to adapt it to the subsequent finishing process. The helmet is therefore smoothed, all components are inspected, and any repairs that may be necessary due to gluing or smoothing are completed.
Può essere dovuta a stuccature o a levigature. A questo punto la calotta
The shell is now ready for finishing and assembly.